Leçon 4. Le plaisir de lire. The pleasure of reading. Le plaisir de lire et de s'informer. The pleasure of reading and of informing oneself. Nous allons à la bibliothèque. Tu nous accompagnes? We are going to the library. Are you accompanying us? Bibliothèque pour la jeunesse de la vie de Paris. Libraries for the youth of the city of Paris. Students, in this chapter we are going to learn about reading and about the library. Okay, let us start. There is this conversation happening in the library. Let us just see what is there. La page 32. J'échange ces deux livres et Nicolas va s'inscrire. I am exchanging these two books and Nicolas is going to s'inscrire. S'inscrire, as we have done in chapter 3 also, is to enroll oneself, and Nicolas is going to enroll himself. They are talking about the enrolling in the library. Then, je viens, I am coming. Bonjour madame, je rapporte Tom Sawyer et Arsène Lupin. Je vais en prendre d'autres. Good morning ma'am, I am bringing back, rapporter means to bring back. I am bringing back Tom Sawyer and Arsène Lupin. Je vais en prendre d'autres. I am going to take some other books. Right? Let's see. Et moi, je viens m'inscrire. Voici ma carte d'identité, l'autorisation de mes parents et une quittance d'électricité. And me, I am going to m'inscrire means again enroll myself. Okay, I am going to enroll myself. Voici ma carte d'identité. Here is my iCard. L'autorisation de mes parents, the authority, the agreement of my parents. Et une quittance d'électricité, and the bill of the electricity. Then what does the librarian say? Let's see. C'est parfait, tout y est. Je vais te donner ta carte de lecture. What does it mean? It is perfect. Everything is there. I am going to give you your reader's card. La carte de lecteur is the reader's card which you need to access to go to the library, which you need to have to go to the library or to have access to the library. So what all documents are required to get this card are mentioned here in your chapter, in this text. Pour s'inscrire et obtenir votre carte de lecteur, il suffit que vous veniez avec. So for enrolling oneself and for obtaining your reader's card or your library card, what you call it, il suffit que, it is required that vous veniez avec, that you come with. What all they require? Une pièce d'identité. A pièce d'identité, some iCard, okay, an iCard or ID proof, okay. Une autorisation des parents, validation from the parents, an agreement from the parents that they allow you to get this card done, right? Une quittance d'électricité ou de loyer. Une quittance, again the electricity bill or the rent slip, okay. Une quittance d'électricité ou de loyer, right? Now let's see the next page. Le page 33. Tu vois, avec la carte, on peut emporter chez soi des livres, des CD ou DVD, des films, des jeux vidéo, mais on peut aussi lire ou écouter sur place. What does it mean? You see, with the card, okay, with the card one can take at their place some books. What you all can borrow from the library. This is what they are telling you. Emporter chez soi, you can take to your place some books, des CD or DVD, some CDs or DVDs, some films, some video games, and also mais on peut aussi, and we can also Lire ou écouter sur la place. Read or listen on the place itself. Sur place means you can sit in the library and you can access all these things. You can sit there and listen to the music and whatever stories you get in the library. All the CDs you can see, the DVDs you can have an access to. So these all things you can do while you are in the library, right? Let's see the next one. Je vais choisir une bonne BD. BD is the bande dessinée. You know the full form of BD, bande dessinée. So I am going to choose a good bande dessinée is the comic strip, right? Je vais choisir une bonne BD. And the other one is saying, et moi, un documentaire sur les plantes carnivores. What does it mean? And me, a documentary on the carnivorous plants, right? So what all you can do, you need to learn the list. This is what they have given below also. Let's see here. A, tu te plais ici. Si tu veux, je peux te sortir ce livre pour cette fois. Tu t'inscriras la prochaine fois. And the boy is saying, tu te plais ici. You enjoy yourself, you have pleasure here. Si tu veux, if you want, je peux te sortir. I will get this book for you cette fois. Cette fois means this time. So I'll get this book for you this time. Tu t'inscriras. You will enroll yourself la prochaine fois, next time. So he's saying, he's offering this thing that for this time I can get you this book and you can get yourself enrolled next time when you come with the documents. Now let's see, this text is very important in terms of your culture civilization questions also. This is all what La Bibliothèque propose. Okay, La Bibliothèque propose, the library proposes all these things. This is a list, you should also remember this, you should revise this. Now, des romans, des livres d'images, des contes, de la poésie, des BD, the bande dessinée. What does it mean? Des romans, novel. They leave picture books, right? You have the picture dictionaries also. So this is the same thing. They conte, the tales, okay, the stories. De la poésie, some poetry. Des bande dessinée, that is the comics, right? Then what else? Des livres et des documents pour répondre aux questions que vous avez posées sur tous les sujets. Some books and some documents for answering the question that you put up on all the topics. So you may find books and documents on several topics which you may be needing for your studies, right? Then they review is a magazine, basically weekly magazine we get in which you get the reviews of the books also, right? Then they film, some film, they CD or DVD, CDs and DVD, they show video. We have learnt it about all this in the above text also, that video games are also available, various CDs, DVDs, films, reviews are also there. So venez à la bibliothèque pour choisir des livres à emporter chez vous, mais aussi pour lire et travailler sur place. So come to the library for choosing some books to take it at your place, as well as may aussi means as well as for reading and working on the place itself. On the place, we are talking about the library, so you can sit there and work in the library as well. So this is a small report on the library and what all you can do sitting in the library. What all you can do, you can take the things with you at home also, you can borrow it and take it at home, and you can work in the library itself, and also you can get a cart. You can cart the lecture made for yourself, with the help of which you may be able to borrow the books and the other material, right? So this you need to go through, this text you need to go through and revise for your culture and civilization. Thank you.